What up, friends? I know today is, whoa, sorry, that was super loud. I need to move that here. Hold on. Try to move it without being so noisy. Yeah, I should probably move that before I start streaming. I realized that today is Vercel's Next.js conf, and you probably want to watch that instead. I don't blame you. In either case, my thing will be recorded so you can watch it later, and I expect theirs is too, so it's whatever you want to to tune into. Yeah, I wanted to get some work done this morning. I'm like an hour later than I planned on. And so yeah, let's go ahead and share screen. So Ben replied from our issue from yesterday, and realized that I was on an old version of LightFS, and so I updated my version to LightFS and got the same issue. So hopefully he's looking into that right now. I'm pretty much stuck until that is done, because I don't want to actually deploy my site until I know that FlyFS is working and all of that the way it's supposed to. So I decided while we wait that I wanted to get off of Cypress anyway, and so that's what we're going to do. We're going to get rid of Cypress completely. I'll just delete it. Find everything that has Cypress in it and get rid of that. And we're going to switch over to Playwright. And I've done this before on stream, actually, for Rocket Rental app. We had just like 2 or 3 tests with Cypress that I moved over to Playwright. This one will be similar to that probably, but there are a couple of really unique and interesting tests that we might run into, in particular, like saving a file or uploading a WAV file, an audio file, so in browser recording, which would be kind of interesting. We'll see how that works. So, and get rid of this thing. I think this Husky skip install might not be needed anymore, actually. Yeah, let's just get rid of that. And get rid of these also. And we'll get rid of this. And this. Okay, Cypress. Oh, hold on a second. I'm editing the package log. Undo. Package log will get updated automatically. Cypress. Yeah, let's open up Rocket Rental and see my testing setup over there. So we had a test E to E, dev, and a pre-test run. Yeah, we'll just do all that. I basically never use these scripts. But, yeah, I never, ever use these scripts. Let's just get rid of those. Well, let me double check, but I'm pretty sure use it for setup. Yeah, whatever. Get rid of that. And that. Just some general cleanup happening here. Okay, E to E run, pre-run is a build. Yep, okay, that's all good. Oh, that's right, it's for the end-to-end tests, so that they can run reasonably quick. Okay, we'll bring that back. Okay. Okay, cool. Get rid of that. And that. And then our Cypress config, we'll get rid of that. Okay, package lock. And then content, we're going to keep it around. It's not like Cypress isn't good anymore. It is still great, but we're not going to be using it anymore. Okay. Okay, cool. Good, good. Cypress is now, oh, and in our workflow. Yeah. Yeah, I removed it from here already, so neato. Morning, Amir. Okay. So we're going to need Playwright test, and we're not going to need this anymore because Playwright now has built-in Playwright testing library-like APIs that are sufficient. Oops. I'll get that installed. Oh, also, totally forgot about centered. Okay. Migrate to, oh, actually, yeah.
Ready?
Migrate to Playwright on KCD.com. This will probably take 2 hours maybe. I don't know. Just made that up. Okay, cool. And so now we've got this handy dandy doodad. There should be a like init, but there is not. I don't know. I don't know. I think I'll let you down. We'll see. Okay, Playwright init. Playwright install. I think. I thought it was init. That's interesting. Huh. I thought there was, I forgot what the command was. Oh, let's do a getting started guide. Playwright.dev, get started. Yeah, maybe that's what I should have done. Forget that. Yes. Yeah, E to E sounds good. Hold on. Should we do test E to E? No. Yeah, I've got a reference here. And I'm going to do it this way. I'm not going to do it the way they do it. So, but we'll take a look at it. Solve. Yeah, sure. Yeah, it looks like they haven't added it yet. I wanted to reference their workflow, but we have to wait for this to download first, I guess. You know what? I shouldn't have done this. I should have just copied over my config, but maybe they've like updated it or something. So we'll want to see what their config looks like, I guess. Okay, cool. So let's see what we've got. We've got the Playwright YAML here. This will be main and dev. I don't, yeah, well, maybe I should keep it. No, I want it part of the deployment pipeline. So we'll do this I'll deal with this later. We'll look at that toward the end. Let's just get this thing running. We got test examples. I wonder if they're using the new APIs for this. Nope. That's too bad. I mean, they've got lots of work to do. So get rid of that. And E to E, we're going to want to have something similar to what we have in test probably. So copy that over here. And, oh, their example spec has a get by text, so that's cool. Amir's asking whether I think Playwright is matured enough to be safe bet for large enterprise. 100%, I believe that. Yeah, I think it's only going to get better. Okay, so this is complaining. Oh, because testing library. So we're gonna have to bring in this, and we'll say rules. I think there's a way, and I think it's in the indie stack. I believe there's a way to get some autocomplete here. There we go. Put that in our root, and then eventually maybe get it in everything else. Okay, so basically want to disable all testing library stuff, frankly. Yeah, I don't know, whatever. We'll just turn them off as they annoy me. Okay, cool. So let's come over here. Maybe I need to reload. There we go. Let's run it. And the browser popped up over here. Ta-da! And it worked. Sweet. So that's neat. Okay, so, and it even showed how long each one of these took. That's pretty cool, actually. Reveal test output. Cool. And close all browsers. Does that do anything? I think so. Hold on a second. Let me look at something. I need to do one thing here really quick. I forgot to do earlier. Okay. One other thing. Okay, now I can bring this back. Sweet. So now I'm gonna go over here and we'll look at what our Cypress test did. I think I just had 3 tests. Nope, looks like I had quite a few. So we'll start with the smoke test. That'll be the easiest. So just typical user flow, going to the blog and checking the heading. Yeah, okay, so in Rocket Rental, E to E, no, where is my test? Test, onboarding, here we go. No, we're gonna look at the config base URL. Well, here, actually, let's update that config. All I care about is Chromium. I'm just gonna get rid of all this. And Web server thing will be basically the same. I hope your day is going rad. Myself. I don't know if you all can hear it when myself says stuff to me, but it just talked to me. Okay. Yeah, whatever. We can keep those. Base URL, that's what we're looking for. Okay, and in Cypress, back when we were doing that, we had, nope, that is not what I wanted. I don't think that's what I want either. It's not fixtures, is it? Oh, yeah, that's right. It is now in the Cypress config that moved. Yeah, so we determine the port. Okay. So when I'm testing locally for production, that's the port it's going to be. Okay. What are you complaining about? Oh, port needs to be a number. Okay. Then this needs to be localhost : port. Okay, cool. Yep, there we go. I just noticed this Playwright cache thing. There are a lot of new folders here, Playwright. Not sure I'm super into that. Whoa. Okay, great. Supposed to take more steps. I don't know if I can take more steps. Step, step, step. Should I do this? Do I need to? I don't think I need to. Yeah, I don't think I should have to do that. Okay, great. So now I can just go to the home page, and looking back at this, we'll go to the nav and find the blog link. Nav equals page locator role navigation. I think that should work. Maybe I think actually we can do get by role navigation. There we go. So nice. And then wait, no. I think, isn't there a way to like search within? Page within. I've already forgotten. I think I did this before. Oh yeah. No, I didn't do it within in here. Let's see. Selector. Yeah. Oh yeah, get by role. Sweet. Link, name, blog. Click. And then we just make sure that the heading says can't see dots. And await expect page or page get by role heading. Is that how that works? No, I don't have a blog heading, so we just have an H1, and then my H2 is the, yeah, what it is. Yep. Okay, that's fine. I actually want to.
I hope your day is going rad.
Whoa, okay, I think I want to say expect blog link to have CSS. And text decoration, underline. None important. Hold on, what? Oh, that's right, because I have this fancy thing. Yes, that's right. Okay. Underline to have class. Underline with a D. Cool. And that should be updated, and this should say can't see dots still. Okay, this is complaining. Hold on. There we go. All right, let's run this sucker. See what happens. And oh, cool. So you can check that on and off now. That's nice. Okay, and we'll say app loads as does navigation. And nav works. There we go. Play. See if the browser pops up somewhere. One skipped. Oh, crossing view is now found. Well, that I think makes sense, because this is not run in the context of npm. So let's try this again. Wait a second. Play. There we go. Okay. Okay. So there's the app. Oh, sweet. Something did not go well. Ooh, it would be nice if I got my logs. Oh. Yeah, all right. Hey, no. Well, something definitely didn't go well. We ended up on 500, and I wish that I had logs for my app. We're using, yeah. How do you say I need it to be either at the beginning with this, well, I need it to be by itself. No additional characters allowed, please. Because it could either have a space, or it could be at the end of the line, or the beginning of the line. So basically I need it to not have any characters next to it. I'm not going to bother with that because that would be annoying, but it would be nice if there was an easy way to do that. Okay, so let's try it again. Oh, you know what? I bet the 500 is because the server was taken down. Yeah, that's probably what it was. That makes sense. That's okay. Try this again. Go. Already used. Oh. Okay, so we've got this rogue thing going on. I think what I want to do... Okay, I'm trying to think. Ultimately, I want to make it so it's easy to write these tests. Not because I'm going to be doing this a lot in this project, because I really don't care to write tests for my own site, but because I want to know how to do this in other projects like Record Rental. So, during development, let's actually look at package.json here, because I've got a test e2e-dev. I think here I want to say cross env equals, dev or process env node env is, whoa, good grief, where am I? Development. And so then, yeah, here, let's get this back as well. This needs to be E2E. Okay, so yeah, so what I think I want to do is during development, I don't want my test to start the server. Here, actually, let's just do it. Yeah, during development, I don't want it to start the server. Here, actually, let's just do it. Yeah, during development, I don't want it to start the server. And locally, or in CI, yeah. I think actually it's sufficient just to be like this. And what do I use this for over here? I use it for my mocks. To update the fixture. So probably still going to want this. Or maybe I don't. Maybe I don't need that. I don't think I need that. Just update the fixture all the time. Why not? Sure. Yeah, okay. So we don't need this running E2E thing. start mocks. Just trying to think.
You're doing a phenomenal job.
If I were, if there was a situation where I would not want it to be run with the mocks. I don't think so. And if I wanted that, then I can update this later. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that is more correct. Okay. Okay, cool. So now I should be able to kill port 3000. There, good. And now if I run the tests, this time it's going to be like, hey, yo, your server's not running. Hopefully, that's what it says. Okay, so it ran for just a second. I'm not seeing. There we go. Wait, already used. So it does appear to be trying to start. I don't think it should be doing this. There we go. Aha. Yeah, so that is still happening. Node environment is development, then undefined. So, that's interesting. Oh, haha, yes, because, yeah, okay, here I think we're going to need to swap this. That's happening because, you know what would be even cooler is if I could, if this could be async, then I could determine, hey, is this port taken? Oh, it is? Then they're probably already running. That's too bad. That won't work. But yeah, so when I have Node ENV production, then I will be in charge of running it, starting it, I think. Otherwise, during development, I want to be in charge of running that server. Okay. We shouldn't have anything running at 3000 right now. Yeah, well, we do. So that's, man. There we go. Okay. And it still seems to, is that like a cache thing? Gee whiz. Man. All right, we're going to quit VS Code. Now see what happens. Huh. All right. Pulling up the activity monitor. Searching for node. And we're just going to destroy all of these. We're going to quit this. And, yep, I think we'll just kill all of these. Goodbye, node. Well, this is, whoops, I accidentally quit Discord. Whoop. I don't know why. We're just going to force quit all those things. See what happens. I don't know why why are these, do I have zombie processes? This is the worst. Okay, so we're going to look at, yeah, it's PM2. That might be keeping it up. I'm getting a phone call and I'm expecting one, so oh, just kidding, they hung up. So we'll see. Is there a way to list? Okay, it doesn't say it has any processes running. But I think something is keeping these alive. Force quit. Yeah, they are just staying alive. I may need to restart my machine. Golly. Okay, PS something. How do you do? I don't know. Find all processes by name. Zombie Node.js process. Oh yeah, I remember how to do this. Okay, so you can actually right click or, oh no, it's this, no, info. Here we go. Oh, yep, PM2 is running this nonsense. Okay, quit. There we go. The god daemon, gee whiz. Thanks a lot, PM2. Okay, yay, I remembered how to do that. Okay, cool, so now should be able to come over here, and now it should say, I'm so sorry, but I'm not stopping now. I think actually what's happening is Centered added this, like, occasionally they will just encourage you as you're working, and I didn't have any recordings of that, so they're just like playing the thing that happens when you get distracted. I wonder if there's a setting, because I don't like being interrupted and like encouraged. Stop encouraging me. Let's see. Well, I'll have to look at this later, I guess, to figure out how to use this thing. Profile, settings, session settings, here we go. Send random words of encouragement while you work. Turn that off. I do not want to do that. Okay, there we go. Good. That's nice. Yeah, that wasn't encouraging to me. It was just kind of annoying. Okay, great. So now this says that I was not able to go there because port 3000 is not available. Hooray! So coming back here, we start the dev server, and then we try to go again. Boom. And I've got my browser over here. Dun, 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 dun. That's not good. What happened to... Okay, well, at least now I have my logs right over here, which is nice. Oh, right. I need to Prisma DB reset. I can't remember. Yeah, Prisma DB push. Seed. Yeah, I forgot. That's what I wanted to reset. There we go. No, Prisma, no, migrate, reset. And yes. There we go. That's what I wanted. I think I kind of did the same thing twice in a row, but that's okay. Sweet. So now finally, this test should actually run and pass. Also, I need to delete this console log. I don't need that anymore. Oh yeah, now we're loading up the cache. So this is actually going to take a sec. It may actually fail because the cache will take a second. This all should work without actually hitting real APIs, but maybe it does. Some of these do actually hit real APIs. So we'll see. Let's do another terminal here. And Prisma Studio. Take a look at data we've got here in the cache. Looks like we're done filling up the cache maybe. Yeah, okay, and it worked. Sweet, we at least got here. I think maybe our test gave up and timed out. So let's try again. Dun dun dun. Okay, so it is upset because, oh, right, because my heading is wrong, my level is wrong. Level 1. All right, now it's going to work. Ta-da! It passed. All right, good news. So we've got a running passing test. Now what we're going to do is get this running passing test running and passing on CI, and then we can add more tests. So it's going to be part of deployment. Yeah, we'll come, where did I put Rocket Rental? Playwright. Stick it right here. That all looks good. And I think I want this to actually be yeah, you know what? Let's not figure out what the port is. If there's not a port, then throw a new error. Port variable is required. Cool. And then this, we will never start the web server. Well, no, we will, just in CI. And yeah, with mux. With, or where's there's env, right? Yeah, env. How do you do this? I don't know. Where's YAML? I think this means it's an object, and that means it's an array. And here now we'll say port equals 3000. And here we'll say port equals 8811. I think cross env has the ability to fall back. Whoops, cross env. Yeah, somebody wanted to add this and I closed it.
Sweet work. Now enjoy a break. Give your eyes a rest.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I closed that because I didn't want to support it, which I didn't. Okay, cool. Sorry, just replying to somebody really quick. Okay. I am going to take the break. But I do want to get this running. So I think I'm done. I just feel like that I'm missing something like right here. You know, this should have cross env in front of it. And you know what? I need a step in here. And I think I actually have this on the master or main branch. No, I didn't. Huh, that's interesting. Oh, that's because I used a persisted volume. Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, whew, that's gonna make these tests kind of funny. Name, cache. Here we go. npm run prime cache mux. Okay. Yeah, that'll be interesting. That'll make it take a while. That's too bad. Yeah, so the thing that bothers me is that this. So, yeah, we'll just have to make sure that if you want to run it in production, you do have to set the port manually yourself. Yeah, we'll just say port 8811 here. Except right there, man, dang. Okay, well, you'll just have to set it yourself. I'm not sure when this will ever be a thing. Anyway, so. Migrate to Playwright for one test. Yeah. Start to migrate to Playwright. That's what we're doing. Hey, I'm no longer getting that big barf of watch nonsense. That's good. And it failed. Oh, yeah, that's good. Team. No longer got the team thing. Yeah, I made a couple changes off stream. But we're good here now. Because I wanted to fix my main branch because this is taking longer than I was expecting. So I fixed the main branch, and then I chunked everything in this dev branch into a single commit and rebased it. So a couple things got changed.
If you haven't already made your way back to your workspace, get ready to flow again.
Yeah, so technically I'm supposed to be done with my break, but I haven't taken it yet. So we're going to take the break now. And let's see. Yeah, well, we're going to wait. Oh, hey, we can do that. 5 minutes. Cool. All right, thanks, everybody. We'll see you in 5. Okay, here we are. And this is running, so yeah, it's installing a ton of things, and then setup database blew up. So I probably missed something. Oh, interesting. I expected that to not be the problem we run into. So for one, I need it to not install so many browsers. And we need to have an emoji here. How about globe? That's like a browser, internet globe. There we go. I only care about the one browser I use. I'm not sure why it decided to download so many. Chromium, Firefox, whatever this FFmpeg thing is, and WebKit. Yeah. Boy, they get pretty complicated in here. Okay, so I don't see how to make sure it only downloads the browsers my config has. Well, that's not nearly as important right now as this setup database not working. So the .env comes from the .example.env. So let's take a look at why that didn't have the right database. Oh, because it's misspelled. That'll do it. Minor fixes. Okay, here we go. And we'll see, maybe this will just magically be faster. I got pinged on a here. wouldn't keep that actually. Good point. Okay. Now coming back here, actions and minor fixes. The reason the refresh content is breaking is because the site is no longer live. It's busted. At least the staging site is. So not sure why I'm not seeing all my steps here. Come on, what's going on? There we go. Setup database is running. Hooray! And that worked. The build ran. Good, good. Oh, I've still got logs. Let's get rid of this. It's kind of fun. See all that nonsense. Unauthorized. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that's interesting. I should be mocking this. Let's look at our Twitter mock stuff. Yeah, so if we're connected, basically I say if we're connected to the internet, then let's just go hit the actual API. But we also want to say and process env. Okay, I actually got to look at this over here. Just can't remember. Actually, you know what? Twitter server. Let's see, required. Yeah, Twitter bearer token is what I need. So if we can, remove logs, oops, and do not try to hit Twitter if not authenticated. Here, let's actually look if I'm doing this with anything else. Yeah, those two are fine. Okay. Okay, Playwright finished though, so that's cool. So the cache loaded up. How long did the cache take to prime? Minute 17? Would be cool to cache that. To cache the cache. Basically, just cache the SQLite database. It might be something to add in the future. That's fine. Okay, cool. Hey, so we got it running on CI. Ta-da! Okay. Sorry, just got distracted for a bit. Great, so let's write a couple more tests now. If we look at our good old Cypress tests, let's do the contact one. Okay, coming to E to E. We're going to rename this from example spec to smoke.spec, and then we'll have contact.spec.ts. So this one's tricky because you do have to be logged in to contact or to do this email. Yeah, so maybe we should do onboarding first, actually. Okay, let's get a little inspiration. Let's grab all this. Do I have Faker installed? Looks like I do. Yeah, obviously, definitely do. From here, so let's make our fake thing. And then page go to. And then we're gonna find the login link. There we go. That's neat. And then we're looking for the email input, and we're going to type into that and hit enter. So type in email input and hit enter. What do you say? Sure, fill email. Yep, and then fill email, and oh, the selector where we want to type enter. There we go. Okay, neat. And then yeah, what we can wait for is the message that says it was sent, which I can't remember what that is. Login, TSX. Where is this? A magic link has been sent. Wait, nope. Page, get by text, magic link. has been sent. Okay, and we'll wait for that, and then we'll go over here to reference what I did. Read email. So coming back, I put that in test.ts. Yeah. Okay, and actually, let's go to our MSW mock stuff here. This, yeah, because mine is older. I want to do this differently. Okay, so regardless of that, read fixture and update fixture. All this stuff. Is that going to make TypeScript happy about that? Okay, yeah, forget that then. We're just going to do implicit any. Nope. Yeah, yep, that makes sense. Okay, cool. And then body.to. There we go. So then we update the fixture, and then over here in our test, we have this read email, which I've already got over here.
That's halfway.
In the email. Okay, cool. Okay, so now we can say read email. And how I do that over here is we get the email and then do some invariant stuff. We're going to call this email address. Okay, cool. And then we can bring in variant. Come on. What? No suggestions, huh? Okay, and then hello at Kent cdots.com. And the email subject, I can't remember. Send token. It's a magic link. This is a new user. User exists is false. Okay, so here's your magic link is the subject title. Okay, and extract URL. Where's my utils? Here we go. Okay, and this will be our, onboarding URL. That works. Okay, or we'll call this the magic link. Great. Whew. Now, we're going to type in name field, text box, name, first name, type in, or select radio team button blue. And then we want to click create account. I think that should all work. Find out. Okay, read and verify the email, submit email, sign up for an account, and then actually I want to also sign up, yeah, that's what it is. Okay, cool. Well, let's see what happens when we run this. Are you sure? I think we need to reload because I renamed that test maybe. What? No, that doesn't make sense. Well, that's annoying. What happened to the test thing? I just recorded a new test. Where'd it go? All right. gotta retitle this test. A new user can create an account. Okay, but that one's the one that failed. And this never happened. Okay. Playwright help. I can't remember. I think it's trace or on. Aha. Okay, so I've got the browser over here. Oh, whoops, right there. Interesting. I think I know what happened. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure I know what happened. We look here. We clicked on login. Oh, that's weird. We have this assertion. I expect to be visible. Yeah, I just expected that assertion to be in here. Expect to have URL root. I mean, it does have the right URL. I'm just kind of confused by this. Select a root. I see. Okay. Anyway, login. It does. So what happens though is we get here, and it's like, okay, we're on login. So let's proceed. Let's find a thing with the name of email, and boom, there it is. It's the mailing list at the bottom. And then we fill that out. And then we are, at this point, it finally does transition us over, because we're waiting 5 seconds for the text magic link sent. So that's too bad. I think this happened with Cypress too. And so we need to wait for something else that happens. Actually, I think I'm already logged in. Log into your account. Await, expect, page, get by role, heading, level 2, name, to be visible. Log in or log in, I don't know, and I don't care. So we're just gonna go with that. It might change, depending on my mood. Okay, so yeah, okay, so let's try that again. We'll watch this happen. Oh, whoa. I did not see anything happen, so we'll just see. That's why we have the trace. Okay. We have 2 elements that Okay, that makes sense. Somebody's asking the question why I'm switching from Playwright to Playwright from Cypress. I actually answered this question on the Call Kent podcast, so you can listen to that. There are two in here actually. So there's this one and this one. Give those a listen. Okay, so I think if we go to here, and we need to somehow scope to, I guess the header. Pretty much not the footer. Ignore the footer. Yeah, it's kind of weird that this is in the header, but that's where it is. So that's what we're going to do. Page get by role header. No, that's not got a role apparently. Header. Let's look at the accessibility thing here. That's generic. Oh, banner. There we go. There we go. Then when we're signing up, this is going to blow up too because there's more than one text box with the name. Probably. Well, yeah, pretty sure, but we'll just see. There it is. Magic link has been sent. So wait, what was the error? Oh, okay, yeah. Team plus KCD. Okay, try that again. Okay, so then we got here. And yeah, the violation, yeah, we found two things because we've also got a first name down here. So this one, I think we can go up, scope it to just main. Yeah. And that has a role too, I think. Yeah, role is main, yeah. Oh man, that's so nice. I like that a lot. Okay, now this will work. Why am I opening two browser tabs? Oh, because I've got two tests. Oh, that's cool. Okay, yeah, checking one of these doesn't seem to be working. What in the world is going on? What is happening? What? Okay, yeah, let's see what's going on there. Jump, 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 jump. Okay. Huh. Retrying quick action, attempt 1, waiting for element to be visible. Okay, so what happened? Label intercept pointer events. Yeah. Okay, so what we want to do actually, label. I want to get the label. I think that's what's going on. Just the way that this has been implemented. Yeah, let's look how this has been implemented. Where are we at? Sign up. Team option. Huh. Intercepts pointer events. I think that's fine though. Force, true. We'll just see what happens when I do that. I had to do that with Cypress too. Okay, cool. It worked. So if I run this, we can see what it looked like all the way down here. We ended up on /me. I think I do want to get to /me. Oh, I'm not logged in. Well, let's log ourselves in then.
Sweet work. Now enjoy a break.
Time to enjoy a break, I am told. Time to take a few deep breaths. Here's your profile. Let's wait for that. There we go. Now we have an assertion. We can make it to that page. So that's good. Cool. Add onboarding test. And that is going to do it for me for this morning. I'm going to take my lunch break and just want to look at this PR that I got mentioned on here really quick. Yep, all that looks good. Okay, cool. So when we get back, I think the contact one will be the best to do next, and we will do, yeah, we'll do that as a, well, part of it will require writing the logic to get a logged in user without having to go through the onboarding flow, which will be fun. Yeah, still no word on this. So that's kind of not my favorite, but it is what it is. Okay, yeah, cool. So we'll see you all after lunch. Let me just make sure. Yeah, I don't have anything else that would prevent me from joining back up right around 1 in about 50 minutes. So we'll see you all then. Bye.